Hello people, yep, I got the microphone live and direct, so that is the audio coming from the DJI mic mini. I'm just using my phone as a monitor. Literally, I've got the drone in cycle follow. Let's go. Let's see.
Right, before you think, what's that stabilizer on the side of the bike tire? That is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But the saddest thing, I was so excited about the DJI Neo 2, I didn't even press record.
Let's test it. I'm gonna put the mic a little closer to myself. Hopefully you can still hear me a little bit good. Yep, that seems to be perfect. I've got some branches coming ahead. Let's see how that does. Oh my god, that's phenomenal. So I'm literally testing it. I think I'm going a bit fast for the drone. I'm using the wrong brake as well. Must say it's phenomenal. I'm gonna try to loop it around and then go back up. Sorry sir, I'm doing a little test. Yeah, that's perfect. It didn't lose track at all. That was flawless. Flawless. If I wanna go a little bit higher. There is a pole here. It's flawless how this is working. It's actually bye. Let's see. I'm gonna keep what I'm gonna do in this test here. I'm gonna keep changing the direction of the drone and see how it does. Still keeping up. See you later. I'm gonna bring it close and low. See how that does. I'm gonna try to switch it to in front of me. This speed of this drone is perfect. Haha, can't catch up, can ya? Bring it back in close. Oh, I love the control on this phone is flawless. That's literally what I'm saying. Oh my god. So that now I'm gonna try something I shouldn't be trying. Watch one video of it and literally like when you get that blue light, I feel like I'm on the airfield. Come in. A little bit further. Just so I can make a reel. Now let's test this drone for rollers. Where has she gone? Right. I just want to see how I'm framed up. I think I want you, yeah, pretty much here. Yeah, to the right of me, so it's super slippery, right? Alright, that's cool. It's super slippery, and what I'm doing, do not try this, I just promise you. Whew. Trying a bit of wet wheelies. Wheelies. I hope it caught that. Oh, hope you caught that. Don't try that at home. Perf. Let's go. Whoops. Almost hit you with my head there. It avoided it. Now let's land. I'm out of breath.